I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the existing EXIF data so you know what to change and why. Use EXIF tool or a GUI metadata editor to read GPS latitude, GPS longitude, and GPS altitude tags. Once done, save an exported metadata report. Make sure to back up the original file to a separate folder so you can revert if needed. Next, decide the target coordinates in decimal degrees and note the coordinate reference system. This prevents mismatches when you write new values into the GPS fields. You will now write the new GPS values into the file. With EXIF tool, specify GPS latitude equals, GPS longitude equals, and include latitude/longitude refs to ensure hemisphere is correct. Once applied, verify using a read command. If you need to spoof altitude, change GPS altitude and GPS altitude ref together so mapping apps interpret it properly. Also update timestamp fields so location and time are consistent. Inconsistent time can trigger. You finish by verifying the change across tools. Read EXIF again, open the photo in a mapping service, and preview in your target app. If the image still appears at the old place, clear the app cache, re-import the image, or check for sidecar XMP files that override EXIF. Sometimes Cloud Sync also rewrites metadata, so pause syncing during edits. If problems persist, compare the backup and edited file with a hex or EXIF diff to pinpoint which tag failed and repeat the edit with corrected values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.